So if old aluminum frames are not in your budget this year to change them out to high energy efficient vinyl ones, there are definitely some quick wins that parents can take advantage of. Let's look at the windows. Do they operate? Do they lock properly? How is the area around that window? Are there any kind of furniture that children can push up against the window that can climb on? Pull all that furniture back, pull the toys back, and make that area really safe for your children. One of the great things that parents can do too is also install things like locks, Charlie bars, which come down and restrict the opening, as well as window wedges. What you want to do is make sure that your windows are about 4 inches to 10 centimeters maximum opening to prevent your children from squeezing through and getting out of that window. Another great thing too are sensors. We have smartphones right now. Those alert you when your windows are open, are great tools for parents to keep that comfort level to make sure that their children are safe.